Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chop scallions for making stir fry or whatever you happen to be cooking. This is the way that you're supposed to chop them for when you're actually cooking scallions. Let's get to it. Okay, so the important part with chopping scallions for when you're actually going to be cooking with them is because they're kind of on the fragile side, you want to have a hearty cut. We're first going to trim off the ends of my scallions and trim off the root. And then as you can see here, I'm just cutting about a 1/2 inch to an inch cut. And the reason for that is you want a thicker cut on here so it can actually take the heat. If you don't actually do a thick cut, then it's gonna wilt and you're gonna actually not have a tasty, delicious onion flavor in whatever you're making. So just a thicker cut, about 1 inch to a 1/2 inch in size. I wouldn't go any bigger than that. If you want, you can actually do a bias cut where you cut it at like 45-degree angle if you want to get all fancy. But anyway, the important part is cut at least a 1/2 inch to an inch long cut on the scallion if you're going to be cooking it. So that's all it takes to cut these green onion scallions, whatever you prefer to call them, for a stir fry. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So hey, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.